What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am putting some splitters onto my G37 today. There's some carbon fiber ones. We're about to unbox it and take a look at them, and I have my buddy Mikey helping me out. What's up, Joe? Are you gonna be nice today or what?
Yeah, I'm always nice.
No, you're not. The other day you're being an asshole.
I was hungry.
You're hangry.
I was hangry, dude.
Yeah, so these are the splitters. Some carbon fiber splitters going on the G. Let's get started. Alright, before we put the side skirts on, we gotta move these mud flaps off. There's a rubber piece back here that we had to remove. We got self-tapping screws with washers and some double-sided tape. Make sure that bitch stays on there. We got enough for the other side? Definitely there's a lot, huh? Shit better stay on there.
Good job, Chris.
Who's gonna be the honor of holding the camera when I air out?
Bring it in. I got this. Again. This way. Oh yeah.
Yo, it's like on your lip. On the lip. Cool, it's like bending it. Oh, shut up.
No, it's perfect.
Yeah. Oh my god, that looks great. Damn.
You gotta get the back to go lower. We gotta,
Can't get it lower, why?
we need a little more camber in the rear, dude. So we can, if we sit lip.
Tired.
Chris, this right here.
Yeah.
See the front?
Mm-hmm.
See how we're sitting tight?
Yeah.
Right, so if we dial a little bit more camber in right here, right here, right, a little bit, then that'll go down another inch. You're still not going to be on the ground.
You're not gonna work. Sit on it.
Yeah, sit on it. Let's make it happen.
No.
A little bit more. Okay, yeah, that's as much as it's going. We're doing a little fender flare right there.
Yeah.
It's gonna go. You said it did it before.
It did, yeah. When I was sitting on a complete flat surface, I think it's just how
The
the...
driveway is a little crooked.
Yeah. Damn, but the fronts are on the ground. My car, Joe, you want to model for me?
Hey.
Let me see them poses.
Show photography, you know what I'm saying?
Let me see them poses.
Photography. Spread your legs.
Our
all I
pure bat.
got. That's all
Our
I
pure bat.
Alright guys, that's the last of the install of the splitters. Peace. We out.